guys, we are going to do the activity from Genius Box, and today we are doing snapping jaws.
So let's get started.
Yay!
Okay. So for snapping jaws, we have got this information booklet which will show you how to make the snapping jaws. At the end of it, it will look something like this. So we're going to make this. There's a dragon and there are jaws, and we're going to make snapping jaws. So let's get started. So the step 1 says you have got the face of the dragon, just remove it, and you have got these long wooden sticks which you need to just remove it. Kush, can you help me? Now the first thing is to make a cross like this. Kush.
These two crosses are ready. Now we have to join it. The two crosses, and now it should look just like this.
Yeah. We followed the step over here. Everything was given, the connectors. You just need to connect the crosses and it will look something like this. Now we need to make another, that's the handle. So that another cross is also done. And now at the end we have to put these two straight wooden sticks. And there you go, we are almost there.
See this, subscribers?
So we need to put the face of the dragon on the other hand. So what are we doing, Kush?
We are sticking.
Face of the dragon.
Bye guys. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the information bell and smash a billion likes. Bye.
Bye.
Look at this.
So this is the end product. This is how it's gonna look. So you just need to open and close. It's like a scissor pattern. Children really gonna enjoy this. Point number 1, they really gonna have fun making this activity, the colorful mouth of the dragon. And point number 2, they're gonna develop a lot of skills which children need at the early age, such as cognitive development, critical thinking, engineering, every math skills, hand and eye coordination, fine motor skills, and lot more. So please do try the snapping jaws from the Genius Box.